you ever wondered why hiccups always show up at the worst times, like during a presentation or a date? Well, hiccups are actually your diaphragm throwing a little tantrum. The diaphragm is the muscle that helps you breathe. Sometimes, when you eat too fast, drink a frizzy soda, or even laugh too hard, this muscle suddenly spasms. That spasm makes your vocal cords snap shut for a moment. And that funny hic sound comes out. It's your body's quirky way of saying, hey, slow down. So next time you hiccup, instead of being annoyed, just smile. You know, now know the real reason behind it. And tell me in the comments, what's the weirdest place you have ever had hiccup?